Incredible health benefits of ginger, unlocking nature's power. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies and discussing one of the most potent superfoods, ginger. It's not just a flavor-enhancing spice, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. So, stick around as we uncover the amazing health benefits of ginger. Before we jump into the benefits, let's take a quick look at the nutritional profile of ginger. Ginger is loaded with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. It's a great source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. Plus, it contains gingerol, the compound responsible for its unique flavor and many health benefits. Digestive dynamo. One of the standout benefits of ginger is its impact on digestion. Ginger has been used for centuries to alleviate various digestive issues. It stimulates the production of enzymes that aid digestion, helping to reduce bloating, indigestion, and even motion sickness. So, if you're someone who experiences tummy troubles, ginger might just be your new best friend. Anti-inflammatory wonder. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases. Ginger, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, can be a game-changer. It has been shown to reduce inflammation markers in the body, potentially helping with conditions like arthritis and even heart disease. Incorporating ginger into your diet could provide a natural defense against these issues. Immune-boosting abilities. Especially in today's world, we all want a strong immune system. Ginger might give your immune system the boost it needs. It's rich in antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and support your body's defense mechanisms. So, a warm cup of ginger tea could not only be comforting but also beneficial for your immune health. Are you familiar with that queasy feeling when you're dealing with nausea? Whether it's morning sickness or motion sickness, ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting. Pregnant women, in particular, have found relief from morning sickness symptoms by incorporating ginger into their routine. Heart health. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial, and ginger can play a part in that journey. Some studies suggest that ginger might help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. By doing so, it contributes to a healthier cardiovascular system. However, always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Pain relief and inflammation. If you've been dealing with aches and pains, ginger might provide the relief you've been seeking. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate muscle and joint pain. Some studies suggest that ginger may be beneficial for people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Its natural compounds, called gingerols, have been linked to pain-relieving effects. Lowering blood sugar levels. Some research indicates that ginger may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. Cancer prevention. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that ginger may have anti-cancer properties due to its ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote cell death in certain types of cancer. Weight management. Adding ginger to your diet may help support weight loss efforts. It can increase metabolism, suppress appetite, and contribute to better digestion, all of which play a role in weight management. Cognitive function. Some research suggests that the antioxidants in ginger may have neuroprotective effects, potentially enhancing cognitive function and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Healthier skin. Ginger improves the health of your skin with antioxidants, increased blood circulation, and antiseptic properties. The antioxidants protects the skin from UV rays and slow the breakdown of collagen, making the skin look younger and tauter. Antioxidants' properties improve acne symptoms, and with raw ginger you can help scarring caused by acne. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties also aid in healing irritated skin. Improves brain function. Chronic inflammation affects your brain over time and may cause it to decline. This may result in cognitive conditions, mental struggles, or Alzheimer's disease. Ginger reduces inflammation and protects the brain from free radicals due to powerful antioxidants. It also improves memory function by increasing the neurotransmitters in our brain responsible for memory, focus, and reaction time. And there you have it, folks, the captivating world of ginger's health benefits unlocked. From its digestive magic to immune-boosting prowess and heart-healthy qualities, ginger is a true superstar. So, why not start incorporating this incredible root into your daily routine and experience the difference firsthand? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow health enthusiasts. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant. Thank you for watching. Check out these other amazing videos from our channel and stay connected for more health and wellness insights. See you soon!